guys, CP the Tool Addict here, coming back at you. Hope you're doing well. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. If this is your first time in the channel, please think about subscribing. Just go right down there. There's a little logo. You can click on that. It'll take you to subscribe. If you wait till the end of the video and you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it very much. If you don't like the video, hit that thumbs down. Think about sharing this too if you enjoy it too. Social media, whatever. I'm not scared. I appreciate you guys stopping by like always. Hope you're staying healthy. Hope everything's going good for everybody. Hope you're being happy. And I hope you guys are getting through this good. Today, we'll get on to what we're going to talk about. Today, we're going to talk about trim clips. Yeah, you know, I don't think that people quite understand what a pain in the butt trim clips are. And I know a lot of guys are going to be on here giving me a lot of business. There's going to be a lot of comments, a lot of opinions, because that's just what they're going to be, guys. Opinions. There's so many different amounts of trim clip situations. Let me see here. So many different. I want to show you a few of the varieties. We've got trim clip pliers. These are the Matco PCP 920s. And these are kind of, you smoke the head off of them. Then we've got, these are actually, I think, fuse pullers. These are Mueller kept rebrands, and I don't have the part number on these guys. Not sure why Matco doesn't put the part number on them. They're okay. I use them for pulling fuses once in a while. They're not what the end-all be-all was. These are okay too. I use them a little bit. They're not bad. This is probably one of the more heavily used tools I use, especially when you're taking out Christmas trees and wiring harnesses in a long reach situation. This is probably one of my favorite tools. Then we've got another Matco rebrand, Mueller Keps, a CL008. This is a nice one too that I use, especially when I can stick it down in the front of the bow bibs. Then we've got some plastic non-marring stuff for the interior. We've got the old Mac red hard handles. This is a UT4 and a UT3. Blada. And these ones have a super wide opening. I use these quite a bit, and then I use these quite a bit. Been around for quite some time. Then we got the, boy, I'll tell you, this has been a good one too. This is probably one of my favorite sets. This is a Mac set. This is a UT7. This is a nice trim clip tool. I think these are almost the exact same as the Matcos, to be honest with you. UT7, UT6. I've had these ones for a long time. I used them. I don't even know if they make this style. Hell, it used to say Mac on the handle, and it's completely worn off. So, no, I've used them suckers for a long time. Nice little blow molded case. And then I recently picked up the Cornwell set, which is exactly the same as the Matco. And this is rebranded by CT Tools, I believe. CTA Tools, maybe. Something like that. I'm sure somebody will tell me in the comment box. I know it's a rebrand. I didn't bother looking it up because I've seen a Matco sells the same exact set. This is a nice tool, much like the little Mac one. Only it's got a little more length on it. So when I'm using it, I got just a hair more length. Especially under the dash work where you're getting into wiring harnesses. This little fella's pretty handy too when you're doing wheel wells. You know, popping out wheel wells across there. Then this is the bigger model. Once again, just like the Mac one. And then of course this is like the Snap-on, only this one's got a different angle on it. You see there, the Snap-on's got a little hump in it and whatnot, but you can see they kind of carry a different angle the way they go in. This one goes in a little bit flatter, the Snap-on does. So, and I actually believe that Snap-on puts their handle on it, but they buy bar stock from somebody. But I don't want to say that out loud. But they could, they might not. I'm sure some Snap-on guys might get mad at me, but this looks like, this bar stock's really, see the finish on it? It's not a chrome finish, but it might be just, they just make the basic ones there. So I don't care. I really don't, guys. That's, we get into talking about tools. So anyways, nonetheless, you guys see everything I'm talking about, but I'll tell you the king of the crop for me, what I found is that I like the best, my favorite trim clip tool set. Out of all of those trim clips, and obviously you see I have a ton of them, ridiculous amount, because I'm always searching for, I mean, there's probably $500 in trim clip stuff, but what I feel like all you need is right here. This SK 6640 kit. You buy this with this little plastic fishing box, comes with some trim clips in it, and I think this thing is the most complete set that you'll ever need for a trim clip tool, in my opinion. Remember I said that, opinion. I don't want to argue with you guys. I love it. I don't like it when I see these guys that come in and try to, like, you know, I really don't care. You know, I'm just showing you guys some new stuff and different stuff. And that's all I want to do, man. I want to have fun. I want to have fun with you. And that's all there is to it. I just like, you know, we can discuss it. And that's what I'm all about, is discussing it. You know, if you don't think this is a good kit, tell me why. Let's talk about it. You know, hey, CP, I don't know that that's a good kit because blah, blah, blah. You know, but not come in there and be like, look, you're a dumb idiot. Yeah, you're dumb. Oh, yeah. Oh. I'm not, but, you know, whatever. You appreciate, you know, the banter sometimes. So, anyways, I want to show you this bad boy. 6646 SK adjustable. Are you watching? Oh, yeah. That's right. That is interesting, isn't it? Guess what? Oh, yeah, that says USA. This is a USA-made tool. It is a patent pending SK product. Nobody has this. I don't recommend using this as a mini adjustable pry bar. I'm sure some of you are sitting there going, oh, that'd be a handy mini adjustable. I don't recommend that. You know, these are great for popping these Christmas trees out, Christmas tree trim clips out super fast, I think. Especially because you can get the right angle without having to change tools. And I realized why I have so many tools is because of different angles. That's why I try getting different trim clip tools, because it seems like I never get the right angle. This thing solves that problem. If you don't have the right angle, you have the ability to go 180 degrees, well, actually probably over 180 degrees, probably like 200 degrees. You have over 200 degrees of adjustability with this to get that trim clip tool out. You're doing those you're doing those inner fender wells, now you can adjust it into that. One tool solves the problem of all those tools. That kit is relatively cheap. This kit's right around 90 bucks, I believe, last time I checked. I could be wrong. I will throw a link in the description. But I wanted to talk about it because I actually put it up on Instagram and got a lot of people that were like, wow, that thing's cool. And they wanted to know more about it. I'd done a tool hunt on it before, but I've never really talked about it. I should have done a video of me just using it, I guess, because I do use it quite often. So the other part of this kit that it comes with that's really neat is it comes with this little guy. And if you guys know about pushing pins, you know all about this little fella. Just a nice little angled deal. And what's cool about it is, hey, look at that. It even comes with the push pin style deal. So you can actually push this directly through, pop all the way through when you're replacing these push pins, and not have to worry about picking them up out of there. Now it is nice for picking the pin up if you're having a hard time getting underneath there. What else it's really awesome for is getting these guys out. See if I can get this up there where you can see that slotted. So that slot, it goes right in there into that style of slot and pulls up that pin. So it's really nice for that too. This is a double use tool. And then you can get into your adjustable one and get underneath there and creep underneath there and bam. Blah, blah, blah. Awesome tool, isn't it? I know, some of your guys' minds are blown right now. I think I've put some stuff on YouTube about this before, but like I said, I just revisited this because I put it up on Instagram and I thought it was that people got kind of a kick out of it. So I thought I'd make a video of it. And during the COVID, whatever, deal, whatnot, we're all watching, bored, and sitting around. So give you some ideas when you get back to work. You can check it out too. SK6640. I will put a link in that description for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.